A recurring deposit account, question number 9, a recurring deposit account of rupees 1200 per month has a maturity value of rupees 12,440 if the rate of interest is 8% and the interest is calculated at the end of every month. Find the time in months. So we will get in years. If you are getting in years, we want to convert that into months of this recurring deposit account. So recurring deposit account of rupees 1200. So what is the 1200? Tell me.
Principal.
P is equal to, okay, rupees 1200. Then choose.
MV is equal to 12,440.
Okay, is equal to rupees. What is that? 12,440.
R is equal to 8%.
R is equal to 8%.
8%. Then, and the interest is calculated at the end of every month. 8% and find the time of the recurring deposit account. So N is equal to question mark. N we want to find out. So same formula we can do. MV, start writing. MV is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Substitute the values 12440 is equal to 1200 into N we don't know plus P 1200 into N we don't know. N plus 1 also we don't know divided by 2 into 12 into R is 8 by 100. Up to this, right? After that we get. Yes. 40 is equal to 1200 N plus
4N
Into N.
4N into N plus 1.
4N
into N plus 1.
within brackets N plus 1.
Into N plus 1.
N plus 1. So 12440 is equal to 1200 N plus 4N square plus 4N. 4N square plus 4N. So this 2 and so 12440 is equal to 4N square. We can write first N square. Then 1200 plus 4N is 1204N. Then next what we want to do? 4N square plus 1204N. Then this will become minus 12440 is equal to nothing is there, so it will become 0. So it forms a quadratic equation. 4N square plus 1204N minus 12440 is equal to 0. So here 4. Try to divide by 4. If it possible or not, check it. All the coefficients. Possible or not? Dividing throughout by 4. 4N square by 4 plus 1204N divided by 4 minus 12440 divided by 4 is equal to 0. So 4 cancel, it will become N square plus 1204N. So 4 3s are 12. 0.
301 N.
301. If you need, you do in the working group. 301 N. Next minus what? 4 3s are
3,110.
equal to 0. Up to this understood, I think so. Then next what we want to do? Next. Factorize 3110. So 3110 divided by 2. First least prime number 2. So divide by 2. So it will become 1555. Again, it will not be possible with the 3. So take the next prime number 5. So 5. So 311. So multiply 5 into 2. That is 10. Then 311. Therefore, the two numbers are 10 and 311. Therefore, the two numbers are, these are things you write in the working order. Therefore, the two numbers are 10 and 311. So, either negative 10 into 311 is negative 3110, or 10 into negative 311 is equal to negative 3110. So which one we want to take? We want to finalize. So for that, think about which one. The middle term 301. So if we subtract like this way, then only we will get it as what? 301. So 310 sign will be positive and 10 sign of 10 will be negative. So which one we want to take?
I'm 311, not 311.
So negative 10 into 311 is equal to negative 3110 we want to take. No need of taking this 10 into negative 311 is equal to negative 311 into 0. So this we want to take. Up to this completed. Do all these things in the working order. 311 minus 10 is equal to 301. So n square plus 30n can be written as positive 311n minus 10n minus 3110 as 3110 itself is equal to 0. Then next what we want to do? Common. So which one is common?
Common. N
N is common. So balance will be
n plus 311.
n plus 311. N.
311.
Next what we want to do?
Minus 10 common.
No need of taking that. It will make you confusion. Instead of taking minus 3, next step. Easy method I told, no? Which method? Last year's. No idea.
Forgot.
Oh. N plus 311 we want to take common in the next step. So automatically
10
will be
Yes, ma'am.
311.
same we can write.
Now
Plus 3 1.
Now you remember or not?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yeah, next n plus 311. Next one. Same number we will.
And
10.
Minus 10 common. Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. That means
Minus 10.
10 into n is minus 10. Then
Minus 10. Man.
automatically it will be correct. You know, minus 10 into plus 311. Minus 311. Clear? If we are changing this bracket means we will get this answer as minus 10 and minus 3110. Any doubt in this?
No, man.
No, ma'am.
0. Clear now? Otherwise, if you are taking this 10, oh, what we want to take, it will be positive 10 or negative 10, it will make you confusion. So, no need of writing that 10 first step. First, you write the same value, that is n plus 311. Then, after that, you adjust with that. That is better. So, n plus 311 common. Next,
Common. N minus 10.
n minus 10 is equal to 0. So, what will be the next? Two values are there. So,
For n plus 311 is
n plus
311 is equal to 0.
equal to 0 or
N minus
10 is equal to n minus 10 is equal to 0. So, we can write n is equal to negative 311 or n is equal to
10.
So, which one we want to take?
N is equal to 10.
10.
Negative is not, n is equal to negative 311 is not possible. Is not possible. Therefore, n is equal to 10. Therefore, n is equal to 10. So, that is the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, 10th question, Mr. Gulati has a recurring deposit account of rupees 300 per month. So, what will be that? 300.
P.
P is equal to rupees 300. If the rate of interest is 12%, so R
R is equal
R
to
is equal to
12%.
12%.
And the maturity
Maturity value
MV is equal
MB is
to
equal to
8,000.
8,100. Find the time in years of this recurring deposit account. N is equal to question mark. Then start. MV is equal to P into N.
N plus N P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100.
Okay.
300 into N.
Don't write it 300 into N. Take it together. 300 N.
Oh, 300.
No. To avoid one step.
300 into N plus 1 by 2 into 12
by 2
into 12 by 100.
Okay, 12 by 100. So 300 N, if you have any confusion, write it as into N. Okay. Next step,
12 into cancellation.
translation is equal to 300 N plus 0 we can cancel. Then 12 cancel.
3 by
Then next is what?
3N by 2.
Numerator, it will be N into N plus 1 divided by 2 only. Okay. LCM using Vedic maths. You want to say like that way. 2 into 8100. This is not cross multiplication. Next step, it will be cross multiplication. This is finding LCM. 300 in N into 2 is what? 600 N plus 3N into N plus 1 divided by what? 2 into 1 is 2. This step is what? Cross multiplication. So do it. 8,100. This can be written as 8,100 into divided by 1. So cross multiply. So 8100 into 2 is equal to 600 N plus, change the brackets, 3N square plus 3N. So it will be what? 00216. 16,200 is equal to, first we can write 3N square, then plus 600 N and 3N will be 603 N. Next step what? We can rearrange that. So how can we? Write that is equal to symbol same like that way. Then 3N square plus
3N minus 16200 is equal to 0.
16200. Nothing is there, so we can put 0 there. Rearrange this. 3N square plus 603N minus 1620. Oh, so it seems to be divided by what? 3 terms.
3.
Check it whether it is possible or not. Dividing by
Yes, ma'am. 3 possible.
3 divided by 3 plus 603 divided by 3 minus 16200 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So what will be?
201 minus 5400 is equal to 0.
201
5400 is equal to 0. Then next step, what we want to do?
dash is dash.
Splitting middle terms.
Splitting.
Ma'am, why are we dividing with 3?
Three,
Again we can
2 to 5.
factorize 5400. So divided by 2, you will get 2700. Next what?
2 by 2.
2 by 2.
Okay,
1350.
1350.
1350. Then check it whether possible or not. Again we can.
Again 2.
Okay, again 2. So how many times?
675.
7, 5. Then check
Then
it.
3.
201 and 675.
3.
Again. 2 not possible. Then next
3.
3. 5 is here, but don't think about 5. Check whether it is possible with the 3 or not. So 3,
2 to 5.
2 to 5.
Possible.
Look here, 201, 225. So which are the values? Multiply these.
24.
Positive 2 to 5, negative 24.
2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8.
8.
3,
24.
24.
24. So two numbers are 24 and 225. We got this, two numbers. So which one we want to take, positive or negative? 225 and 24. If we multiply, we will get it as 5400. So next is what? 201 we want to get. So which are the two numbers? 255 and 24. If we give which
Minus.
Minus.
word here. Okay, this is positive. 24 is negative. Then only it will become 201. So here what we want to do?
Negative 24.
Negative 24 and positive 225. So here it will be negative 5400. Clear? Up to this, you want to write in the working column. Then after that,
അത് ഒന്നും കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞ മാം.
okay. So 5400. 5400.
അതല്ല മറ്റേ ഈ ഇവിടെ എത്തുമ്പോ
Okay,
ആ
this,
അത് തന്നെ
this one. So 225.
വന്നു. ഓക്കെ
Okay, 225. 225 and which number? 24. 225 and 24. Two numbers. If we multiply with the 225 and 24, we will get the answer as what? If we multiply these all things, we will get the answer as 5400. Clear?
Yes.
Next is what? Same number we want, which one? 201 we want to get with the using the same numbers 225 and 24. How we will get this 201? What we want to do with these two numbers? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract. Which number? 24 minus 225 or 225 minus 24? 201. Which way we will get it as positive 201? 24 minus 225 or 225 minus 24?
225 minus 2.
225 minus 24 will be 201. That is positive. If one sign is positive and other sign is negative, subtract and put the bigger number sign. So bigger number is 225. So we will get it as 201 as positive. So now we took which one? 24 as negative and 225 as positive. So same thing we want to apply in this part also. So which one? Positive 225 and instead of 24,
Negative. Negative.
you. Okay. So answer will be what? Positive
24.
negative. No, positive into negative. This is positive. Simply 225 is positive. Positive into negative is negative. So which are the two numbers? Positive 225 and negative 24. These are the two numbers. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we want to do? N square as n square. Then plus 20 n. We can split as what?
Plus 2 to 5n minus 24n.
2 to 5n. So what side we want to write here?
Plus
Plus.
Plus 2 to 5n. Then
Minus 24n.
minus 24n. Then say
Minus
minus 5400 is equal to 0.
0. So I will run this. Okay. Keep this clear. Next is what?
common.
Common. N common.
Which one?
N.
N.
From which two? First two. No.
Yes.
N.
Take it. N common. Then remaining it will be
n plus 2
Plus
to 5.
25.
n plus 2, 25. Next.
Same as n plus 225.
Same like here, n plus 225. So automatically it will be okay. No, is equal to
Negative 24 common. Negative 24 common.
negative 22. Okay. Negative 24 common. So negative. Don't think about this multiplication and not 24 into 225. Automatically it will be what? Just we discussed 5400 itself. Negative 24n. Negative 24n. Negative into positive. Negative. 24 into 225 is what? We have the factorization there. So 5400. Next step.
N plus 20,
N plus 225 common.
222 common.
Amma.
Then
N minus
n
24
minus 24
is equal to 0.
is equal to 0.
N plus 225 is equal to 0. Or n minus 225, 24 is equal to 0.
n minus 24 is equal to 0. Next is
N is equal to minus
N is equal to
225.
minus 220.
over
Or n is equal to
N
24.
is equal to
24
24
months.
Month.
24 months.
Mm.
N is equal to next step what we want to write. N is equal to negative 224 is
Not possible.
Not possible.
possible.
Not
N
possible.
is equal to 24 months is equal to 2
So n
years.
is equal to 24 months. That is
2 years.
2 years.
This n is equal to 2
2 years.
size. Okay. N is equal to 2 years.
Can I